looks like we got a new toy to play with. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a quick review of this. Look, it tells us right here what it is. Cordless drill. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So, this is a 20-volt cordless drill. Comes with a nice battery. Battery's not too heavy. You can go ahead and install the battery. Comes with the charger. This just plugs right into that battery. And then we have a drill. Go ahead, pull that trigger, see what it sounds like. Ooh, okay, it's not that loud. All right, that's pretty cool.
Just have the different settings, so.
Ah, okay. It's a drill, honey. She's like, whoa, is it a toy? Maybe it's a toy. Man, maybe this part's a toy. None of it is a toy, I promise. Oh, okay. Oh, and it's got a light on it? I just noticed it has a light on it. Yeah, that makes it nice. I can put some of the stuff in it. There you go. Yeah, it comes with, so everything that you see here, it actually comes with.
Oops.
So it comes with one of those, which is kind of nice for when you have to drill around a corner. It comes with some drill bits, some wood drill bits, some metal drill bits. It also comes with these. These are nice for hanging photos and things like that. They have the anchors that go in. So it comes with a couple of those. And then it came with a whole bunch of tips. A whole bunch of different ones.
And that's magnetic too. So.
Oh, nice. So it's all magnetic. They all just hold right in there. Well, that makes it nice and easy. Pretty cool. It's pretty powerful too. You can change the direction, so you can screw things in or unscrew things, which, you know, pretty typical for most drills. It's got good speed when you...
It's got a nice, I like the nice variable speed.
Yeah, so like Jamie's just barely pulling that trigger, and it's got a nice slow speed. So the trigger is very sensitive, which is nice, because sometimes you don't want to go full speed to try to screw some things in.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. This is definitely going to get used around this house. Like I said, it does have a 20-volt battery, and to charge it, this just plugs into the center of the battery, and it charges. I charged it when we first got it. It didn't take long to charge the battery up at all. The battery's going to last quite a bit because it is a lithium battery. But yeah, I like the color of this too. I know that's one of the silly things, but I like the blue color. I think that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking for a nice cordless drill, this could be one to add to your toolkit. It's not that heavy. That's the other thing I like. Yeah. Like, it's got a good weight to it, but I feel like it's not gonna, you know, hurt your arm the whole time you're using it, which is nice. Oh, yeah. And with the bonus, all the extra stuff. So if you guys are looking for a nice cordless drill to add to your toolbox, we recommend this.